Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCB Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for April 9, 2025. Voice is getting a little bit better. Thanks for all the get well wishes from everyone. I appreciate it. And we're seeing a little bit more of down arrows than up arrows. So down arrows won this week. But you got to keep in mind, we've got some huge stuff going on in the world right now with this Trump tariff war thing that's going on. And most of Fort Wayne area is on spring break in Panama City or other areas of Florida, since almost everyone in Fort Wayne goes to Florida, and Panama City Beach seems to be the mecca. So, but the market still moves. People still got to make moves. Homes still selling. Homes still listing. Saw active available homes up 2% week over week, up 50% year over year. New listings down 14% week over week, down 5% year over year. Solds came in down 5% week over week, but up 5% year over year. Pendings came in down 16% week over week, down 30% year over year. Median sale price, we saw a rise again. We saw 7% appreciation up to about $262,500. And we've seen that softening a little bit over the last 6 or 7 weeks, but we're seeing a rise again about with what it is for the last 12 months, which is about 6%. We're seeing over the last 12 months, $250,000 median sale price versus last year. This time it was $235,000. We saw days on market stay about the same. Median went down 1 to 8. We've got 34 average, 8 median, which is almost right with what it was last year at this time of 35 and 6. So last 12 months, homes sold 4,429 versus last year at this time 4,289, showing about 3.3% growth over last year. Remember, last year was up a little bit from 2023. 2023 was what we think is going to be considered our baseline for homes sold, and there's still 4.3 active, available, willing, and ready, able, and willing buyers for every home we put on the market. So still low on inventory, still under 2 months available homes for sale, and we need 3 to 6 months to get into that balanced area for a balanced market. Eventually, I think we'll get there. Historically says we will. Historically, it'll go from this seller's market to a buyer's market someday. We don't know when. We report. You decide. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.